In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share SurveyMonkey on social media. If you've just finished building a survey and you're ready to get answers quickly, sharing it on your social channels is one of the fastest ways to reach people where they already spend time. I'll walk you through exactly where to click in SurveyMonkey so your link is ready for Facebook and X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few moments. Start inside your survey and head to the Publish Survey section. This is the distribution hub for your project. Think of it as the place where SurveyMonkey turns your draft into something participants can actually access. You'll see options that focus on how you want to collect responses, and that's exactly what we need. It's a good moment to double check that your survey looks the way you want, since this is the version your audience will see when they open the link. Next, choose the web link collector by selecting Share a Link. A collector is simply SurveyMonkey's tool for generating a unique URL and tracking responses that come through it. The web link option gives you a single, shareable address you can use on multiple platforms. Once you select it, SurveyMonkey will generate the URL for your survey and display it prominently. This link is live and points respondents straight to your first question, so it's an efficient, universal way to invite participation from different audiences. Right below that generated URL, look for the quick share icons. Click the Facebook icon or the X icon to open a new window for direct posting. SurveyMonkey passes your survey link into the post composer automatically, so you don't have to copy and paste. If you see a login screen for your social account, that's normal. Authenticate as you typically would, and the post window will pick up where you left off. In the composer, you'll usually see a link preview and space for a short message. This is where you can keep things clear and inviting, letting people know what the survey is about and that it only takes a few minutes to complete. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow the window to open so the post composer appears. That's all there is to it. Go to the Publish Survey section, select Share a Link to use the web link collector, and then click the Facebook or X icon beneath the URL to post directly. With these steps, you'll have your survey in front of your social audience in no time, setting you up for faster, higher quality responses.